Welcome, my friends, to Divine Designs 24. We're going to be doing a Mother's Day video again today. And this one is because I have this little saying here, and you have to read it this way. It says, love you more. I always said that to my kids when they were growing up. I say that to my grandkids all the time. And so that's always a joke between us whenever we say we love each other. You know, we say I love you, and we always say we love you more. I love you more. So it's just a saying. So I want to take this, I'm going to hang it on my wall and put my grandkids' pictures all around it. And because that's just a saying that we say, and I thought this would be that's just a nice Mother's Day present for myself. I'm not their mother, but I'm their grandmother, so I still consider that. So what I'm going to do, I got some resin all made up, and I'm going to take red glitter, and lots of it, and I'm going to put it in here, and it's going to be a glittery, red glittery, I love you more. And I want to just make sure that I get a lot of glitter in there. You think you have a lot, and really you don't. So I'm going to put the glitter in here, put this in, and I have some extra here just in case I can run out. So let's get this in here, make sure you guys can see this good. And we're gonna start pouring. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful day. Hope you all watched my video on the winner. Thanks to Donna. Congratulations to Donna. I thank her for watching all my videos. She has been a great supporter. She started watching them from day one. So she was very touched that she won, and she deserves it. She deserves it for just following me the whole time, giving me encouragement. And sometimes that's what we need. We just need somebody that just encourages, because this can get very frustrating. This is something that, you know, in the videos, I don't get frustrated with the videos. I love doing videos. I think it's fun. I love it. Because I'm making things. I make things all the time anyway. Why not video it? My problem is the editing. That's just not my cup of tea. But I'm getting there. I'm getting better. I get frustrated when the phone doesn't work right on the video. You know, I don't know why my my camera shuts off sometimes. I got to keep looking up at it to make sure it's still going, or if it even started. So, but I've got another camera. My husband bought me a camera, and I'm playing with it. I haven't started using it yet for YouTube, but that's what it's for. It's supposed to be for making content. So I'm hoping that it works good. I didn't put glue in this because I put so much glitter, and I did leave the resin set. It's set for quite a while, so I don't think it's going to sink too much, if it sinks at all. Man, am I making a mess with this? But there is negative spaces in here, so I don't fill the whole thing, just the wording. And I will be back here to see you guys at demold. See you in a minute. We are back for demolding. This is the I Love You More. And we're going to get this all demolded together. I got a couple extras here. We'll demold those too. We'll do this one here first and see how this turned out. I know I'm gonna have some cleanup to do on this one, but yeah, it wouldn't be a resin craft if I didn't have cleanup to do. I did get this on Temu, so I do not have a link for this. I paid $2.49 for this. I found the paper. Oops. Just knocked my unicorn off. I did find my paper on it. So I did pay $2.49 for it. And this, like I said, this is back like at Valentine's that I bought this. And I love it. And you know, my saying always is, you know, I love you more. But it's not that I love you more than you love me. Not what I mean to the kids. It means I love you more than anything. You know, and going to the store, I love you more than going for bike rides. I love you more. You know, it's just and I love you more. It's not. It's just love you more for anything else. Material things. Wow, this turned out awesome. This is so cute. I do have some cleanup to do. And I have to use my deburring tool and go through here. My razor blade knife. We'll see which one works better. Actually, a lot of it's just falling off. I'm just touching it and it's falling off. So I don't think that's going to be much at all to clean that up. So we'll get that cleaned up. And let's demold my little animals I made with the red glitter. Let's see how they look. This one here, I believe, is a little unicorn. If I can get its head out. Ugh. Little sound effects with this. Ooh, she's nice and shiny. Look at her. Isn't she adorable? Look at there. Here, let me get a white paper towel behind her so you can really see her. Look at her. Isn't she cute? I got a little cleanup on the bottom of her to where, you know, I poured it, but that's okay. Whoops. Runaway unicorn. But there she is. She is absolutely adorable. Look at how the glitter is all the way through her. The glitter didn't all sink. So there she is. So let's do the bear. I love this bear. And I'm hoping, doing it in this glitter, that you're really going to be able to see the diamonds and stuff on him. I really didn't want to use any alcohol in here because I don't have my air cleaner going, but I think to get him off of his head, I'm going to have to use alcohol. I just hope he's not too soft. I rip his head off. My goodness. There he is. Let's get those off to the side. And look at him. Isn't he so pretty? I love the red glitter in him. That makes him so, so pretty. Okay, I'm going to clean these all up. And I'll decorate these two up here, and I'm gonna clean this all up, and I'll put you on fast forward while I'm doing that, and I'll see you when I'm done. Here we are. We are all done. I got this all cleaned up. I love you more. I'm going to hang this on my wall and put pictures of my grandkids and my great-grandson all around this. And I have my little bear here. He has his cowboy hat on. He's got glasses on. And he's eating a lollipop. Isn't he cute? Here, let me put a paper towel behind him. Maybe you can see him a little better. See him a little better that way? There's his cowboy hat. He's got a little butterfly, his glasses, and then his little lollipop. I'll take some pictures of these when at the end. You'll be able to see them really good. And here is my unicorn. She has a butterfly on her bottom, or on her tail. And I got her, unicorn is all in gold. She's got sunglasses on. She's got her toenails all painted up. And she's all cute and she's ready to go party. And then I love you more. Maybe you might be able to see it better if I do it like this. There it is. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, and my bear lost his hat. Gotta get his hat back on there. There we go. Glue isn't quite set up yet. Get that all set up, then I'll take pictures. Okay, thanks for coming. I want everybody to have a wonderful Mother's Day. This will come out Saturday night. Yes, it'll be Saturday night this comes out. So I want everybody to have a wonderful Mother's Day. And like I said, you know, you don't have to be a mother to celebrate Mother's Day. You can be a mom to a dog. You can be a mom to a cat. You can be a mom to foster children, adopted children, nieces, nephews. You can be a grandmom. And so we celebrate it all around. So happy Mother's Day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye now.